Before some of you come for me and be like your pot is dirty, my dear, is not dirty. It was actually the pot I used in parboiling the tomatoes. Remember, I used to blend. After the blending, then I will do what? I will parboil it for the water to dry out. So as it dey hot, it dey burn. I just said let me use the same pot to do what? To just do the cooking itself. So after putting my pot on fire, the groundnut oil went in, onion went in, and this is the tomato itself. Yes, you can see this tomato, right? This is actually that Mr. Long tomato that I harvested that time. Oh, is it not giving? You know, if you see that tomato for the first time, you'll be thinking it's actually cucumber, but look at this is actually the final result. And here I'm actually putting my spices inside. I just want to do what? I just want to fry this stew and keep it later. See you in our next video. Bye.